I'm super excited to introduce you to the new template that I created today for foldover magnetic bookmarks. And the part I'm super excited about is I'm able to use my card toppers to just resize place in here, and I can use them as a gift inside of a card, and I get to enjoy the card toppers for things other than cards. So let's get started. It's very quick and very easy. Now that I have the template, we go to File. We want to open the template file. It's a PSD file. I'm opening it in photop.com, which is a free app that you can use, and it works almost identical to Photoshop. I do all of my designing in Photoshop, but I create my templates here on Photop so everybody has a chance to use them. So here's the template, and what we do over here in the left panel actually will duplicate over here in the right. Super fun, super cool. Okay, so to start off, whoopsie, edit, undo. I always get carried away. We want to select the bottom right, which will actually be the front of the bookmark. And we want to come over here. It's a smart object. So this little square right here, we want to double click. And this is where we're going to paste our image. So I picked out one of my favorite card toppers. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open it, and I've saved it here. So let's open it, and then we'll go up to Select All, go to Edit, Copy, and then we want to come back over where it says the front cover layer, which is the window that we just opened, and we want to edit, paste, and then we need to resize this. So we go to Edit and Transform Scale, and this will allow us to shrink this down so that it fits in the square. And I've designed it so that it should be a perfect fit. And then we select the check mark. Then we go over here, File. We want to save the smart object. Then we can actually close out of front cover layer and then come over here, and this is the template. As you can see, what we did over here has been copied over here. That way you don't have to do it twice. So we need to insert the image now onto the back, which will be a flipped image, which we want to click up here to select the back bookmark. We want to double click this little square, and then we want to come back over here. It's already selected, so we hit Edit, Copy, and then we want to go to the back cover layer, and we just want to edit and paste. And then once again, we come over and select Edit, Transform, Scale, and this allows us to shrink it back down. And we'll actually just snap right in. And then we want to select the check mark. We want to File, save the smart object. Then we can close this window. And then we want to go back over to our template. And here we have it. And when I made the template, it automatically will flip the image for you, so you don't need to. The last thing that we do is we want to come over here to the panel on the left. It says Inside Bookmark. We want to double click this, and that will open it. We want to grab a pattern, and I have chosen Inside Bookmark paper. Can't talk today. So here we go. Select all, edit, copy. Then we want to come to the layer. We want to edit and paste. Now, You could change the color in here, but we're not going to. I'm gonna show you how to do it, hopefully over on the other side. I haven't tried this yet, but it should work. So let's go to File. We want to save a smart object once again. We can close out of the layer, and then we can go back over to our bookmark. Actually, that looks pretty good. What I want to do is hit File, and I want to save PSD, and I'm going to make this a copy so I don't overwrite the original. And I'm going to head and save that, because if what I'm going to try doesn't work, I still have it. I mess up. And that's how we learn. You know, we try things, they work or they don't work. So let's see. I know I can do this in Photoshop, but I don't know if I can do it here. I want to go to Layer Style. I want to go to, no, wait, never mind. Forget I said that. Let's go to Image, Adjustments, Hue. This is going to be a lot easier. And then, yes, it's going to work here. What you can do is just go ahead and find a color that you like. If you didn't want the tan, you would just move your little slider bar here and it'll change the colors for you. And, oh, that's pretty. I like that. That looks really good. So that says 161, if you remember that. Since it's not the smart object, it's not going to do them both at the same time. And I moved that again. You have to be careful when you click into something. If you move it, put it back. So we have this selected right here. We go back up to Image, Adjustment, and Hue. And if you go to, I think it was 181, if your memory's better than mine. No, it's not. What was it? 151? I should have written it down. I'm maybe 151. Okay, close enough. Hopefully your memory's better than mine. But you get the gist of it, and it's just that quick and easy. If you didn't want to change the color, it would have been faster, but I like playing with colors, and so hopefully you do too. And I hope this has helped you to be able to use the template. Thank you.